Today I'm making white chocolate bark. This is the simplest candy recipe I know. It is white chocolate wafers, a quarter cup of dried cranberries, a quarter cup of pistachios, and you can crush the pistachios and cut the cranberries, and orange zest. And so you're going to begin by melting your chocolate wafers. So about 30 seconds on half power until they're melted. You want to make sure that they're easy to stir. So the chocolate should, look like this. And from there, you're going to add a quarter cup of pistachios. Now you can cut these if you like. I didn't. I also added a quarter cup of dried cranberries. And then I'm just combining all those ingredients. From there, I'm going to zest one orange. So I'm going to get just a teaspoon of orange zest, add it to the white chocolate, cranberry, and pistachio mixture, mix it well. And then I'm going to pour it onto parchment paper. And so we're going to spread it out until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 20-25 minutes. And when it's done, I'm going to take it out and break it into pieces. And it is a delicious bark. It has an orange flavor, a salty taste of the pistachios and the sweet cranberries and chocolate make it a really delicious Valentine's Day treat. So that is white chocolate bark.